today we're out here in George Street in Sydney, and we're installing a Cat6 cable for a new NBN connection from the telecoms room here, MDF room, or IDF, down the hall to one of these offices on the right. As you can see, there's no ceiling tiles here, so we're having to pop lights out and just some of the access vents that we can get to get this data cable down. Now I've run the cable both ends. I've got it run along this cable tray here, and then coming down with the others, and then I've got it all coiled up here, ready for NBN, so these new customers can have their NBN service. So I'll just go show the other end at the cabinet. See, all the tiles are back on. It's quite a difficult one because there wasn't many tiles, as you can see here, in between, and the lights wouldn't drop out. Brought it through into the office, and we had ceiling tiles here so we could remove those, and then dropped it down inside the gyprock wall, and now they've got their Cat6 cable here ready to get their NBN connection.